In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store spinning wheel not downloading on iPhone. If you tap Get or Download and all you see is a spinning circle that never finishes, don't worry. This is usually a temporary hiccup. We'll go through a quick sequence that resolves it for most people. First, give your iPhone a basic restart. Locate the power button and the volume down button. Press and hold both buttons together until you see the power off slider on screen. Release the buttons, then slide to power off. Wait about 25 to 30 seconds so the device fully shuts down. Now press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Let go and allow your iPhone to complete its restart. This clears minor system glitches that can stall App Store downloads. Once your iPhone is back on, try the download again. Open the App Store, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, search for the same app, and tap download. Often after a fresh restart, the app will begin downloading normally. If you see progress bars or the install animation, you're good to go. If the spinning wheel still doesn't move, reset your network settings. This targets network-related issues that can block downloads without warning. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if you're prompted. Keep in mind, this removes saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, so you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and repair Bluetooth devices afterward. It's a good idea to have your Wi-Fi password handy before you do this. This reset clears out corrupted network configurations and gives your iPhone a clean slate for Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth. After the reset completes, test again. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi, open the App Store, and try downloading the app one more time. If you see the download start immediately, the issue was likely a network glitch. To wrap up, this problem is commonly caused by temporary system or network issues. A simple restart often fixes it, and resetting network settings resolves most of the stubborn cases. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you get past the spinning wheel and back to your downloads, tap like and subscribe for more straightforward iPhone and App